Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to cite sources using a website application. I'm going to be teaching like high school aged history students, so I feel like this is going to be a great resource that they can use to cite sources when we're doing a research project or a PowerPoint project or anything like that. So what we're going to do is we're going to use the Citation Machine website. So if you just go to your Chrome and you go to type in your search bar Citation Machine, and it'll just pop up. Okay, this is the main screen of Citation Machine. History majors usually use Chicago style, but in the high school setting they'll use MLA, so you can change this to MLA. And first we're going to cite a website. So you can do a manual entry mode, or you can find a website by putting a URL or a keyword in the search bar right here. So we're just going to go ahead and type in history.com. And then this will pop up. It says history, watch full episodes of your favorite shows at history.com. So we're going to hit select on that. And then it's going to show you what all they found for your citation. So this is pretty good information to keep in, so we're not going to worry about filling in the rest of that right now that they couldn't find. So then we're going to hit final step. We're just going to double check all of the extra boxes, make sure that everything's filled in exactly how we want it with the article title and the publishers and the URL. And if we're happy with the way it looks, we're going to create citation. And then it's going to pop up and say citation successfully created. And if you scroll down, the highlighted box in kind of the orangish yellow is going to be the citation that you just created. And that's exactly how an MLA citation should be made for a website. So this will be really easy for students to be able to see how to cite a website on Citation Machine and how to use the website. It's super easy, very easy to navigate, and I hope that it helps with citing your websites for a history class.